Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how can you fix BPI app not opening on iPhone. So if the BPI app is not opening on your device, then you could try following these steps. Now first of all, what you want to make sure to do is check for an update. So sometimes it could be due to the outdated version. So head over to your respective app store and on the search bar type in BPI app and make sure to upload the app, and you could then make sure to fix it as well. If the issue still persists on, you could also try force closing your app or clear your app's cache and retry if the error persists on. Or you could also try using it from the browser version. Sometimes it could be able to fix. Other than that, you could also try restarting your device and then reinstalling the BPI app if you have already installed and see whether the issue will be solved or not. So these are a couple things you could try to fix BPI app not opening on your iPhone. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.